Hello, my name is Aracely Carimone. I'm a student from 8th grade in Sagrada Familia School in Puerto Aysen, and my teacher is Miss Constanza Perez. Today, I would like to tell you about my favorite book and why I recommend. The name of the book is Campo de Fresas by Jordi Sierra, who is a Spanish writer. The book was published in 1997. The characters are Luciana, Santi, Cinta, Maxi, and Eloy. The book is about a teenager story that faces health problems like drugs and eating disorders. The title is related to a Beatles song called Strawberry Field that describes a place to escape from problems. I chose this book because it's about teenagers' problems and how we make good decisions about our lives. The score I gave to this book is 5 stars because I love it, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.